Each Monday here on KTBS, we understand the law and get your legal questions answered by experts. Now, we want to mention Understanding the Law is sponsored by Rice and Kindig and is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal advice, and no attorney-client relationship is formed by watching or participating in this segment. Please consult with an attorney for specific legal advice. And with that out of the way, we have Marshall Rice from Rice and Kindig here in our studios today. And Marshall, April is Distracted Driving Awareness Month. I think it's something that every one of us, is vigilant as we are, have been guilty of at one point or another.
Yes, and it's dangerous, and it can have some serious consequences. And so, if you're driving distracted and you hurt somebody, there's some serious consequences that can come from that.
Yeah, big deal. And when you say driving distracted, obviously that means you get that phone in your hand behind the wheel, and you should never do it.
Right.
But places like school zones, stuff like that, even more so important.
That's right. There's actually a Louisiana Revised Statute 32-300.5, and it outlines the law surrounding driving distracted. It's a complete ban in the state of Louisiana.
Right. Right. And texting while driving is banned. And what kind of violations are we looking at here if you do get?
Well, if you get caught, you get a fine.
Right.
If you drive distracted and you hurt someone, you can be legally responsible for the damage that you cause.
Right, and then also with that comes the other whammy, which would be those insurance rates.
The insurance rates, that's right. So if you have a wreck, obviously that dings your insurance and your rates can go up.
Right, and if you are a victim of distracted driving,
Correct.
someone is distracted, they hit you or whatever, you're injured, what do you do?
Yeah, so if you're a victim of distracted driving, you have rights, legal rights, and I would recommend you consult an attorney. You're responsible for the damages that's caused. It can be personal injury damages, the property damage to your vehicle, also any type of rental car you'll need. All those things are going to be taken care of through insurance, and you have legal rights to recover for those damages.
And you guys would be someone to call if that were to happen.
You definitely want to consult an attorney, and if you call Rice and Kindig, we'd be happy to help you.
All right. Anything else on this topic? Like I said, I know it's so easy to do. You're waiting on that important text from work.
Yeah. So we're talking a lot about distracted driving as it relates to the phone, but there's also other forms of distracted driving. You can eating while driving, putting on that makeup.
Maybe a little guilty of that. The eating part.
Yeah. So
I'll wait till I'm here to put the makeup on.
That's right. But you just have to be cautious, because a simple text can change somebody's life forever.
Absolutely.
And you don't want to be the person that causes that.
Right, 100%. Well, thanks so much for hanging out with us here today. You guys are going to be here every Monday, so be sure to tune in the Understanding the Law segment right here on KPXJ.